Friends, what do you find here? Friends, it has been in the news reports during the recent past. They are MiG-21 fighter jets, right? Friends, here you can see Indian Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh and Indian Defence Minister Sri Rajnath Singh. They were arriving at MiG-21 decommissioning ceremony held at Indian Air Force Station, Chandigarh. Friends, look at this statement. The Indian government decommissioned MiG-21 fighter jets recently. Decommission, what does it mean? It means to officially remove something from active service or use. Or to take out of use. Or to make it no longer active. In simple words, retire. Friends, now you can say the Indian government officially removed MiG-21 fighter jets from active service or use recently. Or you can also say the Indian government retired MiG-21 fighter jets recently. Friends, if you like the content, please share with your friends. Right? Yours, SEKHAR'S English. Bye-bye.